My name is Muhammad HAZIQ bin Muhammad NASIR. My matric number is 23DLS21F1029. I'm from DPL10013.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is NURUL SHAHIRA binti AMIRUDIN. My matric number is 23DLS21F1031 and I'm from class DLS1A.
My name is ATHIRAH MAISARA binti Mama AMRAN. I'm from DLS1A. My matric number is 23DLS21F1033.
Assalamualaikum. My name is SHAHIRA binti Muhammad IBRAHIM. My matric number is 23DLS21F1039. I'm from DLS1A.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad AZHAN bin MAHALI. Matrix number 23DLS21F1061 and I'm from DLS1A.
This presentation will be started with what is halal logistic, followed by concept in 3 components: what is halal supply chain, what is halal certification, requirement for halal certification, and ended by conclusion.
What is halal logistic? Halal logistic is a relatively new area in the supply chain management and is considered an innovation logistic operation. What is process of managing? According to Sharia law, is to ensure the integrity of the halal product at point of consumption, such as fleet management, storage and warehouse, and material handling.
As you can see in this slide, these are the examples for process managing. The first for process of managing is movement, the movement of materials and goods. Second is handling material, the short-range movement of material from manufacturing all the way to distribution. Next, the example for process of managing is semi-finished good. Semi-finished good is a processed raw material that are not for final consumption. Besides that, part livestock, which is a combination for farm animals. Last but not least, procurement. Procurement refers to business management process.
There is 3 components in halal logistics. The first one is transportation. It must be handled in halal way. The second one is warehouse. Halal product cannot be mixed with haram product in storage. And the last one is packaging. It must comply with Sharia.
Transportation. Transportation matter should be handled in halal way. There is no mixing of halal good with non-halal good in one pallet and load carrier. It is because to keep maintaining safety of the halal good. No mixing of halal good with non-halal good in case of bulk shipment and medium or severe najis in one container or vessel. This is because to maintain the safety of good and in accordance with Sharia law that there should be no mixing with non-halal good. Halal shipment are provided with tertiary packaging in case of mixing of halal and non-halal cargo in one container. The picture shows example of packaging. Primary packaging. Primary packaging is the packaging in direct contact with the product itself and is sometimes referred to as a consumer unit. Secondary packaging. This type of packaging also provides supplementary protection to help maintain the integrity of the primary packaging, and it can serve as a shipping container for small shipment. Lastly, tertiary packaging, often also referred to as bulk or transit packaging. This type of packaging is used to group larger quantity, like example used in halal shipment.
warehouse, the organization shall ensure there is a physical segregation of halal cargo from non-halal cargo throughout the warehouse processes. The halal product have a dedicated storage zone and rack which are clearly separate by color or marking. A dedicated cool room is available for segregation from non-halal product through a physical barrier or container that is required for the storage of halal product.
The method of packaging and labeling must also comply with Sharia law. The packaging materials should not be made from any raw materials that are decreed by najis. It is also not prepared, processing or manufactured using the equipment that is contaminated with things that are najis as decreed by Sharia law. Next, packaging process should be carried out cleanly and hygienically, also in some sanitary conditions. Packaging also should have halal label on the packaging of halal food.
I wonder if any of you have ever heard about halal supply chain. Now, I'm going to explain about halal supply chain. What is halal supply chain? Halal supply chain include everything from the procurement and preparation of genuine halal ingredients to the manufacturing and delivery.
This includes the separation of the halal ingredients or finished product from non-halal ingredients throughout the entire chain. For example, alcohol or beer and pork-related products. Similar measures that need to be adopted in other areas of the logistic process, such as transporting halal feed animals to slaughterhouses and when shipping chilled or frozen halal meat.
What is halal certification? The definition of halal certification. It is the document issued by the Muslim authority of the exporting country in which it is certified that a certain agri-food or pharmaceutical product fulfill the requirement demanded by the Islamic law for its consumption by the Muslim population. Halal certification acts as a guide for industry to produce halal product and service to ensure product quality as well as safety for the entire supply chain.
Do you want to know why halal certification is very important? It is to ensure the features and quality of the product according to the rule established by Islamic Council that allow the use of mark halal. Other than that, it also helps local Muslims to decide which product to buy, because nowadays it's hard for a Muslim that live in a non-Muslim country to know how their food is produced and where it has come from. Halal certification is mainly applied to meat product or other food product like milk, canned food or additive.
The scheme. First, food, beverage or food supplement. Second, food premise or hotel. Third, consumer good. Fourth, logistic. 5, pharmaceutical industry. 6, cosmetic and personal care. 7, original equipment manufacturer and medical device.
Do you want to know what was requirement for halal certification is used for? It is to prevent contamination of halal product with non-halal product and to minimize the possibility of contamination.
Why do we need to apply for halal certification? First, we need to preserve halal integrity of the products. Also, we need to ensure the integrity from farm to fork. Besides that, to ensure consistency with Sharia and the expectation of the Muslim consumer.
The applicant or manufacturer must meet the requirements of JAKIM to apply for Malaysian Halal certification. The list is as following below. The first step is register with the Companies Commission of Malaysia (SSM) or Malaysia Cooperative Societies Commission or other government agency. Second step is hold a business license from the local authorities (PBT) or testimonial from the government. Third step is in full operation before an application is made. Fourth step is produce or handle only halal products and are in compliance with the specific halal standard. Fifth step is ensure sources for ingredients halal and choose the suppliers who supply halal materials or have obtained recognized halal certificates. Next, apply for all types of products or menus which are produced by the factory or premise. Lastly, application for repackaging must be accompanied by a recognized halal certificate for the said products.
To conclude this presentation, thus, in order to maintain the halal logistic industry, responsible individuals should concern with deviation that occur to keep the purify of halal as well as integrity. There are sayings from someone famous that say, halal is not just what we eat, but also what we wear and what we love.